A very cheerful morning to all of you. How are you, students? I hope all you are fit and fine at your places. And welcome back to our mathematics class. Okay, so students, as you know that we are continuing our exercise 6.4 and we had read till question number third. Okay, now today we will start our next question number 4. So read the statement. ABCD is a quadrilateral. So this is the figure of question number 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral and we can prove this as AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Now from the figure we know that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. These are the sides of the quadrilateral and the sides of the quadrilateral is greater than the AC plus BD. So AC plus BD is the diagonals. Okay. So we can prove the sides of the quadrilateral is greater than the diagonals. Okay. So we can find here how many triangles in a quadrilateral. So we can find here ABC is a triangle and ACD is also a triangle. Then C or CDB is a triangle. Now ABD is also a triangle. So here 4 triangles in this quadrilateral. So we can prove this equation. So find here. Firstly, let us take the first triangle, that is ABC. Okay. So right here, let us consider the triangle ABC. Okay. So firstly, right here, we can draw a quadrilateral. Okay. The diagonals. Okay. A B C D. So सबसे पहले मैंने कौन सी ट्राइंगल ली? ABC. So we know that a triangle is possible when sum of two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. So right here AB sides AB plus BC is greater than third side, that is AC. This is equation number 1. Now let us consider the second triangle. Let us consider triangle BC and D. This is triangle BC and D. So right here triangle BC and D. In the triangle BCD, the sum of two sides of BCD means BC plus CD. So right here BC plus CD is greater than the third side, that is DB. This is equation number 2. Now let us consider the third triangle. Triangle C D and A. This is also a triangle C D and A. ये वाली triangle हमारे पास C D and A. So in this triangle, sum of two sides means CD plus DA is greater than AC. So right here CD triangle है हमारे पास CDA and sum of two sides means CD plus DA is greater than AC. Okay, this is equation number 3. Now moving on the next triangle, let us consider triangle DAB. यही बची है हमारे पास DA and B. This triangle DAB. Okay, so sum of two sides means DA plus AB is greater than DB. This is equation number 4. Now by adding all 4 equations, by adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, we get equation 1 is AB plus BC AB plus BC. Now plus BC plus CD plus BC plus CD from equation number 3rd. CD plus DA. CD plus DA from equation number 4. DA plus AB. This is our left hand side and right hand side is साइन है हमारे पास ग्रेटर देन, सो लगा दिया मैंने. एंड राइट हैंड साइड इज AC प्लस DB प्लस AC प्लस DB. ओके, सो नाउ वी कैन फाइंड हियर AB प्लस AB. AB हमारे पास 2 टाइम्स है, सो AB प्लस AB इक्वल्स टू 2AB प्लस BC प्लस BC मीन्स 2BC प्लस CD प्लस CD 2CD प्लस DA प्लस DA 2DA ग्रेटर देन AC प्लस AC 2AC प्लस DB प्लस DB 2DB. ओके, एंड हियर वी कैन टेक कॉमन 2 ऑन बोथ साइड्स. ले सकते हैं हम, 2 कॉमन ले लिए, बीच में बचा AB प्लस BC प्लस CD प्लस DA एंड ग्रेटर देन वी कैन टेक कॉमन and AC plus DB, and by transposing shift to 2 towards right hand side. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than 2/2 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा था, इधर आके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. AC plus DB. नाउ 2 1 2 2 1 2, so AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus DB. Okay, we can prove the equation, so the expression is true. Okay, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Okay, now moving on the next question, question number 5. So here ABCD is a quadrilateral. Again, ABCD is a quadrilateral and less than, is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2AC plus BD. From this question we can write here, we can draw a figure, a quadrilateral, and the sides of the quadrilateral is AB. So firstly draw a quadrilateral. Okay, A, B, C and D, or 2 diagonals. Okay, AC and BD. So we can write here a intersecting point. Okay, this intersecting point is said to be P. Okay, now equation is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So AB, BC, CD and DA are the sides of the quadrilateral and 2AC plus BD. AC and BD are the diagonals of the quadrilateral. But we can prove the sides AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than, sides are less than the twice of diagonals, that is AC plus BD. Okay, so firstly write here the triangles in this figure. So here we can find the common intersecting point P. So from point P we can find a triangle PAB, and the second is PBC, and third is PCD, and fourth is PDA. Okay, so P is the common point in all the triangles. So now let us consider the triangle. So we can take the first triangle. Let us consider the triangle PAB. So we know that triangle is possible when sum of 2 sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. So 2 sides PA plus PB is greater than third side AB. So this is equation number 1. Now take the second triangle. So let us consider triangle PBC. PBC. So here PB, sum of two sides PB plus PC is greater than CB. This is equation number 2. Now moving on the third. Let us consider the third triangle, that is PCD. PCD. Okay, so we know that PC plus PD is greater than third side CD. So this is our third equation. Now moving on the last, let us consider triangle PDA. Okay, so here PD plus PA is greater than DA. This is equation number 4. Now adding equation number first, second, third and fourth we get. Okay, so from equation number 1, PA plus PB, PA plus PB plus PB plus PC plus PC plus PD plus PD plus PA. Okay, this is our left hand side. The sign is greater. Now from equation number first, AB plus CB, CB plus CD plus DA. Okay, so here PB plus PB, 2PB, PC plus PC, 2PC, PD plus PD, 2PD and PA plus PA, 2PA. So right here 2PA plus 2PB plus 2PC plus 2PD greater than AB plus CB और BC प्लस CD प्लस DA. यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोई भी जो है हमारे पास कॉमन नहीं है, 2 टाइम्स नहीं है. सो यहाँ पे कुछ भी ऐड नहीं कर पाएंगे हम. सो राइट हेयर सेम एज AB प्लस BC और CB BC प्लस CD प्लस DA. So we can take common 2 in left hand side. So 2 into PA plus PB plus PC plus PD. Okay, greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay, so here we can see that AC diagonal AC जो हमारे पास AC हमारा diagonal है, that is equal to sum of these two sides, these two AP plus PC. जो हमारा डायगोनल है AC, इन दोनों का सम है. सो मैंने राइट कर दिया AP प्लस PC. और जो हमारा सेकेंड डायगोनल है दैट इज DB. ओके, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू DP प्लस PB. ओके, सो हेयर वी कैन सी दैट हमारे पास PCB है, हमारे पास PCB अवेलेबल है, हमारे पास AP और PA भी अवेलेबल है. तो अगर हम इन दोनों को सम करें तो हम अपने डायगोनल के इक्वल आ सकते हैं, AP प्लस PC. सेम एज DP भी है हमारे पास, इसे हम DP भी बोल सकते हैं और PD भी बोल सकते हैं और PB भी है हमारे पास. तो अगर हम इन दोनों को सम करके लिखें तो हम सेकेंड डायगोनल राइट कर सकते हैं. सो राइट हेयर 2 इंटू PA और AP प्लस PC प्लस 2 DP प्लस PB. सो राइट हैंड साइड राइट सेम एज BC प्लस CD प्लस DA. सो AP प्लस PC वी नो दैट इक्वल्स टू AC प्लस 2 DP प्लस PB इज इक्वल्स टू सेकेंड डायगोनल दैट इज DB और BD. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So here B is common, AC plus BD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay, so we can prove the expression. So see here 2 AC plus BC greater than or here is also greater than, and plus AB plus BC plus CD plus DA AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So our expression is true. Okay. Now moving on the question number 6. Here the length of the two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Okay. Between what two measures should the length of the third sides fall? हमारे पास एक ट्राइंगल है, उसके हमारे पास टू साइड्स गिवन है. वन साइड इज 12 सेंटीमीटर एंड सेकेंड साइड इज 15 सेंटीमीटर एंड वी कैन फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द थर्ड साइड. सो वी नो दैट अ ट्राइंगल इज पॉसिबल व्हेन sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So right here sum of two sides or two sides is equals to 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Okay, so we know that sum of two sides is equals to 12 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, that is equals to 27 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, अब इतना तो हमें पता चल गया कि जो हमारे पास थर्ड साइड आएगी वो जो होगी लेस देन 27 सेंटीमीटर, मतलब 27 सेंटीमीटर से कम होगा. लेकिन सेकेंड केस इज थर्ड साइड इज cannot be less than the difference of two sides. मीन्स जो आपकी थर्ड साइड होगी वो दो साइड्स के डिफरेंस से कम नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो हमने इनका सम तो निकाल लिया कि इस दोनों के सम से ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए, कम ही होनी चाहिए, बट इन दोनों के डिफरेंस से कम भी नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू साइड्स, that is 15 centimeter minus 12 centimeter equals to 3 centimeter. means to say that जो third side होगी हमारी वो 3 centimeter से greater होनी चाहिए और 27 centimeter से smaller. means 3 centimeter और 20 centimeter के between number हमारा होगा जो हमारी third side होगी. okay, so I hope you can understand all these questions. So please students do practice all these questions, and all that's all for today. Thank you. God bless you. Have a good day.